How to set photo in contact number in Samsung. So if you want to set a unique photo for contact your Samsung Galaxy phone, so that each time you have a call like this, then your photo will come up. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to set photo in contact number in Samsung, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the dialer app or contact, then select contact. Now click on the search button and search for the name whose contact you want to add photos to. So let's say this. So click on it like this. Then you should see the contact info just like this. Then go ahead and click on edit on the navigation. Once you selected edit, click on the camera icon here. And here you should see option to use camera, gallery, and AR emoji. So go ahead and click on gallery. Here you want to go ahead and select the photo you want to set as your new contact photo on your Samsung phone. So let's say I want to use this. Then select that and then go ahead and position your face properly like this, or use something more cleared or something more befitting. So let's go with this. Click on done, then hang on, then go ahead and click on save. Once you hit the save button, this is what you're going to see. Then exit the page. Now when next you have an incoming call from this particular contact, your phone will pop your new photo or the new image you set as the call in number. You see that? So you can just go ahead, pick up the call or drop the call. So that is basically how to set photo in contact number in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.